Tangled up in red tape. A woman steals hundreds of dollars, but not before leaving behind evidence. And local officers can't get the help they need to track her down.
We have a means of government.
Only on News 5, frustration from both crime victims and police who believe federal law is protecting crooks.
As agencies refuse to release information on thieves who also use government assistance cards. News 5's Bob Jones spoke with a senior citizen who had hundreds stolen from her. And Bob, no doubt she's frustrated with the system.
Well, Frank, a 70-year-old woman told me she would like the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services and the federal government to consider changing the law here. Police are telling me that this case should be easy to solve, but it has been far from it.
Yeah, my rights just went out the window, and I mean, I don't think that's very fair.
Surveillance video from this Macedonia Walmart shows Carolyn Parks using her debit card to get a money order worth $900. The senior on Social Security needed it to pay her rent.
In my haste, I laid the money order and the receipt down.
Carolyn accidentally left it on the counter, and then watch. The next customer, a woman in a yellow sweatshirt, picks up the money order twice, covers it, and steals it.
They're low life, because, I mean, I couldn't, with no kind of good conscience, I couldn't just do that to nobody.
After the theft, the alleged crook kept shopping and used her own government assistance card, known as EBT, to check out. Police obtained the number of that card, but government officials can't reveal her identity under privacy laws.
I could easily solve this crime, get this female her money back, and I'm getting no cooperation at all.
1 year ago, News 5 reported on a similar incident at the same Walmart. A woman had her purse stolen. The crook then used her own EBT card at the store, but police requests for the personal information on the user were denied.
Well, I can understand people having rights, but when you're doing something wrong and they know that she's committed a crime, I feel like bunk that privacy. That shouldn't count.
Police say as the law reads, they can only get information if they already know the name of the cardholder and have a subpoena or a warrant. In Carolyn's case, frustrated investigators have no idea who this woman is.
I think there's definitely a glitch there.
You're the government and you're condoning this by not getting involved. And I mean, I think that's kind of wrong.
Job and Family Services sent us a short statement that said information regarding the usage of EBT cards is restricted. In the meantime, Congressman David Joyce has gotten involved in this issue. He is concerned enough that he wrote a letter to federal government officials asking them to reevaluate their privacy policy. Live in Akron tonight, Bob Jones, News 5.